I will go to the market tomorrow. I will go to the market tomorrow.
Shall I come with you? Shall I come with you?
We shall start the meeting at 10 a.m. We shall start the meeting at 10 a.m.
Will everyone be there on time? Will everyone be there on time?
He will call you later. He will call you later.
Shall I wait for his call? Shall I wait for his call?
They will visit us next week. They will visit us next week.
Shall we prepare some food for them? Shall we prepare some food for them?
I will finish my homework soon. I will finish my homework soon.
Shall I help you with it? Shall I help you with it?
I am feeling cold. I am feeling cold.
Shall I get you a blanket? Shall I get you a blanket?
We are bored. We are bored.
Shall we go out for a walk? Shall we go out for a walk?
This bag is heavy. This bag is heavy.
Shall I carry it for you? Shall I carry it for you?
I don't know what to do now. I don't know what to do now.
Shall I give you some ideas? Shall I give you some ideas?
We have nothing to eat. We have nothing to eat.
Shall I order some food? Shall I order some food?
He will definitely win the race. He will definitely win the race.
Yes, he is very fast. Yes, he is very fast.
She will pass the exam easily. She will pass the exam easily.
She studies very hard. She studies very hard.
The sun will rise in the east. The sun will rise in the east.
That's always true. That's always true.
They will finish the work by evening. They will finish the work by evening.
I hope so. I hope so.
I will help you with your project. I will help you with your project.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Shall I open the window? Shall I open the window?
Yes, please. It's hot in here. Yes, please. It's hot in here.
Shall we watch a movie? Shall we watch a movie?
That sounds great. That sounds great.
Shall we go to the park? Shall we go to the park?
Yes, let's go. Yes, let's go.
Shall I tell you a secret? Shall I tell you a secret?
Yes, I want to hear it. Yes, I want to hear it.
Shall we meet at 5 p.m.? Shall we meet at 5 p.m.?
Okay, that works for me. Okay, that works for me.
I will always support you. I will always support you.
Thank you, I appreciate that. Thank you, I appreciate that.
He will never lie to you. He will never lie to you.
I trust him. I trust him.
We will visit you soon. We will visit you soon.
I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to it.
I will buy a new phone next month. I will buy a new phone next month.
Which one are you planning to get? Which one are you planning to get?
They will help us with the project. They will help us with the project.
That's great news. That's great news.
I will call you tonight. I will call you tonight.
Okay, I will wait. Okay, I will wait.
We will go to the beach this weekend. We will go to the beach this weekend.
That sounds fun. That sounds fun.
I will cook dinner today. I will cook dinner today.
I shall help you. I shall help you.
They will arrive at 6 p.m. They will arrive at 6 p.m.
Shall we pick them up from the airport? Shall we pick them up from the airport?
I will book the tickets now. I will book the tickets now.
Shall I transfer the money? Shall I transfer the money?
What shall I do now? What shall I do now?
You can start by cleaning the table. You can start by cleaning the table.
Where shall we go for lunch? Where shall we go for lunch?
Let's try the new restaurant. Let's try the new restaurant.
Shall I write the report now? Shall I write the report now?
Yes, please do it. Yes, please do it.
What shall I bring to the party? What shall I bring to the party?
Just bring yourself. Just bring yourself.
Shall we call them now? Shall we call them now?
No, let's wait for some time. No, let's wait for some time.
I will work hard to achieve my dreams. I will work hard to achieve my dreams.
That's the spirit. That's the spirit.
She will never give up. She will never give up.
I admire her strength. I admire her strength.
He will become a great doctor. He will become a great doctor.
I believe in him. I believe in him.
We will win the match. We will win the match.
Let's do our best. Let's do our best.
I will prove myself. I will prove myself.
I know you will. I know you will.
Will it rain today? Will it rain today?
I am not sure. I am not sure.
Will they attend the meeting? Will they attend the meeting?
Maybe I will check. Maybe I will check.
Shall we postpone the event? Shall we postpone the event?
Let's wait for the update. Let's wait for the update.
Shall I send the email now? Shall I send the email now?
Wait for my confirmation. Wait for my confirmation.
Will she like this gift? Will she like this gift?
I hope so. I hope so.
You shall not enter without permission. You shall not enter without permission.
Okay, I understand. Okay, I understand.
Employees shall follow the company policies. Employees shall follow the company policies.
Yes, it's mandatory. Yes, it's mandatory.
You shall complete your work on time. You shall complete your work on time.
I will do my best. I will do my best.
Shall we follow the instructions? Shall we follow the instructions?
Yes, they are important. Yes, they are important.
The contract shall be signed today. The contract shall be signed today.
The lawyer will review it. The lawyer will review it.
Shall I wear a jacket? Shall I wear a jacket?
Yes, it's cold outside. Yes, it's cold outside.
Shall I call you later? Shall I call you later?
Yes, I will be free after 5 p.m. Yes, I will be free after 5 p.m.
Shall I wait for you? Shall I wait for you?
No, you go ahead. No, you go ahead.
Shall we buy some groceries? Shall we buy some groceries?
Yes, we need vegetables. Yes, we need vegetables.
Shall I send the report now? Shall I send the report now?
Yes, please do it. Yes, please do it.
Shall I bring you some tea? Shall I bring you some tea?
Yes, that would be nice. Yes, that would be nice.
This bag is heavy. This bag is heavy.
Shall I help you carry it? Shall I help you carry it?
It's getting late. It's getting late.
Shall we leave now? Shall we leave now?
I don't have a pen. I don't have a pen.
Shall I lend you mine? Shall I lend you mine?
I'm not feeling well. I'm not feeling well.
Shall I call the doctor? Shall I call the doctor?
Will we win the match? Will we win the match?
I hope so. I hope so.
Will they come to the wedding? Will they come to the wedding?
Yes, they confirmed it. Yes, they confirmed it.
Will you be free tomorrow? Will you be free tomorrow?
Let me check my schedule. Let me check my schedule.
Will she like this gift? Will she like this gift?
I think she will. I think she will.
Will you visit me next summer? Will you visit me next summer?
Yes, I will. Yes, I will.
This math problem is difficult. This math problem is difficult.
Shall I explain it to you? Shall I explain it to you?
Will you help me with my project? Will you help me with my project?
Yes, I will help you. Yes, I will help you.
I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
Shall we order a pizza? Shall we order a pizza?
Will there be a holiday next Friday? Will there be a holiday next Friday?
Yes, the school will be closed. Yes, the school will be closed.
What shall we do now? What shall we do now?
Let's clean the house. Let's clean the house.
He will definitely win the competition. He will definitely win the competition.
Yes, he has practiced a lot. Yes, he has practiced a lot.
They will never lie to us. They will never lie to us.
I believe them. I believe them.
We will always support you. We will always support you.
That means a lot. That means a lot.
The train will arrive at 6 p.m. The train will arrive at 6 p.m.
Let's be on time. Let's be on time.
I will do my best to succeed. I will do my best to succeed.
I know you will. I know you will.
Shall we go for a coffee? Shall we go for a coffee?
Yes, that sounds great. Yes, that sounds great.
Shall we watch a movie tonight? Shall we watch a movie tonight?
I would love to. I would love to.
Shall we go shopping this weekend? Shall we go shopping this weekend?
Sure, let's do it. Sure, let's do it.
Shall I cook dinner for you? Shall I cook dinner for you?
That would be wonderful. That would be wonderful.
Shall we plan a trip next month? Shall we plan a trip next month?
Yes, let's go somewhere exciting. Yes, let's go somewhere exciting.
Will you come to the party? Will you come to the party?
Yes, I will. Yes, I will.
Will she help us with the work? Will she help us with the work?
I think she will. I think she will.
Will it rain today? Will it rain today?
It looks like it. It looks like it.
Will they arrive on time? Will they arrive on time?
I hope so. I hope so.
Will you bring your camera? Will you bring your camera?
Yes, I will. Yes, I will.
I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to do this.
Shall I show you? Shall I show you?
I can't find my keys. I can't find my keys.
Shall I help you look for them? Shall I help you look for them?
I am so tired. I am so tired.
Shall I make you some coffee? Shall I make you some coffee?
I can't lift this box alone. I can't lift this box alone.
Shall I help you? Shall I help you?
My internet is not working. My internet is not working.
Shall I check it for you? Shall I check it for you?
We will go to the beach tomorrow. We will go to the beach tomorrow.
That sounds fun. That sounds fun.
He will visit us next weekend. He will visit us next weekend.
We shall prepare a nice dinner for him. We shall prepare a nice dinner for him.
I will wake up early tomorrow. I will wake up early tomorrow.
Shall I set an alarm for you? Shall I set an alarm for you?
They will reach the station by 7 p.m. They will reach the station by 7 p.m.
Shall we pick them up? Shall we pick them up?
I will clean the room now. I will clean the room now.
Shall I help you? Shall I help you?
I will always be there for you. I will always be there for you.
Thank you. That means a lot. Thank you. That means a lot.
Don't worry, I will handle everything. Don't worry, I will handle everything.
That's a relief. That's a relief.
He will never let you down. He will never let you down.
I trust him. I trust him.
She will finish the project on time. She will finish the project on time.
That's good to hear. That's good to hear.
We will not forget your kindness. We will not forget your kindness.
You are very welcome. You are very welcome.